Hello guys, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel Diski One Way, where we talk all things football. And in today's news, we're gonna be talking about Kaizer Chiefs, Amakhosi Amahle, the Phefeni Glamour Boys. First on the news, Kaizer Chiefs will play Marumo Gallantsi on Saturday, the 26th of April, 3 o'clock. But then the problem about that is that Kaizer Chiefs will be without their superstars, which is Serino and Pule Modi, due to suspensions of yellow card. They both suspended. They both had 4 yellow card for the seasons, so they're not gonna play the game. Yamarumo Gallantsi. So please comment and let me know who do you think the coach should replace them with. Mela Fagebani Eskalin Sabo Yang Tola. Yes, moving right along. In other news, Kaizer Chiefs are on a mission to part ways with Mduduzi Mdantsane, the 30-year-old who's currently on loan with Richards Bay. Kaizer Chiefs abasamfuni bafuna apompe amatayara bamfuna gone. So Sekhukhune United, according to Amasoswami Amnandi, is that Sekhukhune United wanna take advantage on that because Sekhukhune United iyamfuna, they wanna sign him. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about Kaizer Chiefs trying to release Mduduzi Mdantsane, because Mduduzi Mdantsane still has a 1-year contract near Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, moving right along. In other news, which is good news for the Khosi Nation, is that Amakhosi just announced their new striker, who is a 17-year-old who goes by the name of Unaledi Hlongwane, who was currently playing for Multi-Choice Khosi, but now he is promoted to the senior team. But he is a deadly striker. Bathi umtabula manet, but lo mfana imbobo uyayazi kahle kahle, imbobo into zakhe. So Kaizer Chiefs just announced him as their new striker. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about that. Yes, moving right along. In other news, Amakhosi are pulling out all the stops to secure a long-term future for Unjabulo Blom, because if we are khumbula kahle, Unjabulo Blom's team is a MLS team which is called St. Louis City SC. So Unjabulo Blom is currently on loan near Kaizer Chiefs, but then Kaizer Chiefs busy yapheka contract to sign him permanently. According to Amasoswama Mnandi, is that Kaizer Chiefs, they wanna give him a 2-year contract to sign him permanently. So please tell me, how do you feel about that on the comment section? Tell me, how do you feel about Unjabulo Blom joining Kaizer Chiefs permanently? Are you happy with that decision? Yes, moving right along. In other news, the former TX goalkeeper Fakhri Ntwari is also not happy ne Kaizer Chiefs, according to Amasoswam Amnandi, because of a lack of game time. So there is a possibility that he might go to Europe. There's a team yase France ku League 2 emfunayo, they want him, so he might as well ahamba yovimbela ama team wase France. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about Ntwari leaving a Kaizer Chiefs to go to Europe. Thank you guys for the support and love. Please, this is a brand new channel. Please keep on subscribing and liking. Bafethu, please. Nyankqela, thank you is thank you. Asibonge.